Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we are going to solve this question which says yeast is a type of dash organism which reproduce by budding. Option A, eukaryotic and unicellular. Option B, prokaryotic and multicellular. Option C, eukaryotic and multicellular. And option D, prokaryotic and unicellular. So let us try to understand the question. The question says yeast is a type of dash organism which reproduce by budding. So they are asking like what type of organism is yeast which actually reproduce by budding. So what do you understand by yeast? What is yeast? Yeast is a type of a fungus, okay? It is a type of a fungus and it is usually present, the body structure, if you see, it is unicellular in nature, unicellular, okay? And these are eukaryotic, eukaryotic. So what do you mean by unicellular? Unicellular means these are made up of single cell. Single cell. Okay, uni means single. Cellular means they are made up of single cell. Okay, though they are present in clusters, that doesn't mean that they are multicellular. They are unicellular. Okay. Now, what about eukaryotic? Eukaryotic, U means true, karyon means nucleus. Eukaryotic means they have true nucleus. So what do you mean by true nucleus? True nucleus is nothing but a nucleus which consists of all the required components, like including the membrane, that is the nuclear envelope, or you can say the nuclear membrane. And also the nucleus contains the genetic material within it. Whereas in case of prokaryotic organisms, which are nothing but the primitive organism like bacteria, in them they don't have membrane bound nucleus. They have free genetic material in the cytoplasm that is called as nucleoid. Whereas yeast is, though it is unicellular, but it is eukaryotic because it has true nucleus with all intact structures. Okay, so the genetic material is present within the nuclear membrane. So let us look at the option again. Option A says eukaryotic and unicellular. Yes, it is correct because yeast is eukaryotic because it consists of true nucleus, and it is unicellular because it is made up of single cell. So option A is correct. Now let us talk about option B. Option B says prokaryotic and multicellular. So what do you understand by prokaryotic? Just now I said prokaryotic cells means these contain primitive nucleus. Pro means primitive, karyon means nucleus. These consist of primitive nucleus. Okay. Whereas yeast contains true nucleus. Hence option B, which says prokaryotic and multicellular, that is wrong because yeasts are not multicellular, they are unicellular. Hence option B is wrong. Option C says eukaryotic and multicellular. Yes, they are eukaryotic, but they are not multicellular. They are unicellular. Hence option C is wrong. Option D says prokaryotic and unicellular. Prokaryotic, as I told you, yes, these prokaryotic are the organism which consist of primitive nucleus, but in case of yeast, they consist of true nucleus. And unicellular, yes, yeast is unicellular, but they are not prokaryotic, they are eukaryotic. Hence, option D is also ruled out. So let us conclude. So what is the answer? Yeast is a type of dash organism which reproduce by budding. So what organism is it? It is eukaryotic and unicellular. So what is the final answer? Let us conclude. So the final answer is option A. What is option A? Eukaryotic and unicellular. Unicellular. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.